Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are doing well and be a good children and follow your regular online classes and also obey your parents. Today I am here to start your class, that is English literature, and that is chapter 2, Chicken Licken. So my dear students, as you know, we already discussed about this chapter before class. So in this revision class, I will tell you before chapter also that we will discuss about this chapter one more time, and after this discussion I will give you worksheet in PDF format. So please go through in parentsalarm.com and solve it and write down the worksheet in your classwork copy and keep the copies safely with you, and after reopening the school I will check all the given works. So if you have any kind of discussion, any kind of asking, any kind of queries, you ask me in your class WhatsApp group and I will definitely clear your doubts. Thank you. So let's start today's class. So in that is chapter 2, Chicken Licken. The name of the chapter is Chicken Licken, and please my dear students open your book page number 16 for your reference. So let's start today's class. So in this class I will tell you the substance of the story, and after the substance I will tell you solve the understanding text. So please keep quiet and listen in your class. So once upon a time there was a little chick called Chicken Licken who lived on a farmer in a countryside. And one day Chicken Licken went to the woods. Suddenly a walnut falls on his head, and Chicken Licken does not see the walnut, and he thinks that the sky must be falling upon his head. So he decided he must warn the king, and on the way to the palace he meets Henny Penny, Ducky Lucky, Goose Moose, and he tells each of them in turn that the sky is falling, and they all agree to go with him to the palace. In the forest they meet Wise Owl, who asked them that where are they going? And then Chicken Licken was cried and said, the sky is falling and I am off to tell the king. After that the Wise Owl asked Chicken Licken, really he saw the sky falls on his head? Then Chicken Licken answered that he did not show. After that other feathery friends are also said that they are not see anything, and all the birds went to the exact place with the Wise Owl, and they find out a nut which fell on Chicken Licken's head. After that all the birds are realized Chicken Licken's mistake. From this innocent incident they all have a lesson that we should not believe things unless we see them for ourselves. So next page number 21, please open, dear students, for the reference. Here some two words are given, two words to know. So we will read these words to know because we will enhance our vocabulary. So first the word is woods. Woods means forest. As you know, forest means where many trees are growing, that is called forest. And next one, it is walnut, a type of nut. You know, dear students, walnut is a type of nut. Next we start understanding the text. Here tick the correct answers. We have to do the correct answer tick mark. The birds meet the dash on the way. The birds met the owl on the way. Next, the birds wanted to tell dash what had happened. The birds wanted to tell the king what had happened. Dash told Ducky Lucky about what had happened. Henny Penny told Ducky Lucky about what had happened. Next, who said this to whom? Who said this to whom? We have to write or tell here. First one question is, really? Did you see the sky fall? We have to say who said this to whom. Here, wise owl said this to Goose Moose. Really? Did you see the sky fall? Next one. Well, yes, I think so. Who said this to whom? Chicken Licken said this to Wise Owl, because when Wise Owl asking to Chicken Licken, have you seen Chicken Licken that sky had fallen down on his head? That time Chicken Licken said that, well, yes, I think so. So next, answer the following questions. Here we have to answer the following questions. Where was Chicken Licken walking? Where was the Chicken Licken walking? The Chicken Licken walking in the woods. Next, what did he think had happened? What did he think had happened? Chicken Licken think that the sky was fall upon his head. Chicken Licken think that the sky had fall upon his head. Next, number the animals in the order in which Chicken Licken mates them. We have to write down number wise to whom Chicken Licken mate. So first one is Wise Owl, next Henny Penny, then after Ducky Lucky, and last one is Goose Moose. Here in all of them, in these four, first is Henny Penny. So we have to write here 1, because Chicken Licken mate in the first to Henny Penny. Next name is Ducky Lucky. Ducky Lucky is the second one. Then third one is Goose Moose. And last one is Wise Owl. It is fourth one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next question, that what do you think Chicken Licken learns from Wise Owl? What do you think Chicken Licken learns from Wise Owl? We should not believe things unless them ourselves. We should not believe any kind of things unless we see them for ourselves. So, my dear students, now we go our next page, that is page number 22. And in this page, we have playing with words. Here, fill in the blanks with vowels A, E, I, O, U. This is the vowel words. And we have to use these vowel words and we have to fill in the blanks. First one is W, then dash, dash, then D. Here we have to use the O, wood. W, O, O, D, wood. Next, walk. W, A, L, K, walk. Because Chicken Licken walked in the forest, in the woods. W, A. Here we have to use the A. Next, F dash L L. Here we have to use E, fell. Here we have to write E, fell. Next, H dash dash D. It is head, H E A D, head. Next, N dash T. It is nut, N U T, nut. And 6 number, C dash M dash, come, C O M E, come. Next, the instruction given that find the animals in the word grid. Here we have to use the word grid and we have to find out the names of the animals. First animal, it is picture of. Tell me, my dear student, for which one picture it is? It is deer. Yes, we have to find out the name of the deer. Here, my dear students, deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Next, it is, tell me, which one picture it is? Sheep. It is called sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Next, it is, which one picture it is? Cow. It is cow. We have to find out the name of the cow. Yes, here it is cow. C-O-W, cow. Next, it is lion. And where is the lion? Yes, here is the lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Last one picture is tiger. Where is the tiger? Yes, here is the tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Next, here the instruction given that match the following to form meaningful sentence. We have to match these words with the meaningful sentence. And we have to use the words with meaningful sentence. First one is the lion. The lion meaningful sentence is, first one is live in homes as pets. No, lions does not live in homes. Next, gives us meat and eggs. No, lions did not give us meat and eggs. Are small ducks. No, has a mane, has stripes. Which one it is? Has a mane. So we have to write this one. We have to do this. Okay, next, the tiger. The tiger has stripes. The tiger has the stripes. Hens. Then hens give us meat and eggs. So this side to this side. Hens give us meat and eggs. Next, ducklings. Ducklings, which one it is? Are small ducks. Yes, ducklings are small ducks. Ducks baby are called ducklings. So ducklings are small ducks. Next, dogs. Dogs are live in homes as pets. So please solve it and write down in your copy. Next page, we learning the language. Here we have to learning the language. First we have to know nouns. Which one is called nouns? I know, my dear students, in English you read the nouns, pronouns, all these things, but here also we have to read this one more time. Which is called nouns? That names of people, places, animals and things are called nouns. The names of people, places, animals and things are called nouns. For example, boy, cat, fruits, tree, school, house, bag. So here instruction given that underline the nouns in these sentences one has done for you. One has done for you, that is first one, he is a clever boy. So we already read that boy is a noun form, so we have already it is underlined. So next one we have to underline. So next one it is the cat is drinking milk. In this line, which is noun? The cat. Cat is drinking milk. The cat is the noun form. Next, honey is made by bees. Here we have to underline honey and bees also. In these two are nouns. Next number, I like to eat lychees. I like to eat lychees. Lychees is the noun form. The box is on the shelf. Here the box is the noun form. and the shelf also noun form. The cake is delicious. Here the cake is the noun form. Next the river is very long. River is noun form. And the last, I live in a big city. City is the noun form. And in this number 2 number cat, I forgot to tell that the cat is drinking milk. Milk also the noun form. So my dear students, hope you all are